Hello friends, welcome to SS class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1, studying the medieval period. Now, history or the study of the past can be divided into 3 periods to understand them better. Now, what is the history? History is the study of past. Okay, so here it can be divided into 3 forms to understand them better. One is ancient, another is medieval, and third is modern. Okay, so these are the 3 periods that we are going to see about. But in previous class, you had learnt about the ancient Indian period. Now here we are going to learn about the medieval period. Okay, medieval period is referred to the second period. Okay, now see, you will study here the medieval Indian history. In the medieval Indian history, it lies between ancient and modern history. Medieval history lies between ancient and modern history. Now, each period consists so many centuries. In medieval period also, there are thousands of years. It covers thousands of years. Now, from 8th century to 18th century, the medieval period consists thousands of years. From 8th century to 18th century. Okay, CE. Now what is the meaning of CE? CE means common era. What is the meaning of CE? CE means common era. This period witnessed certain developments that differentiate it from the ancient period. Now each period has different developments, and medieval period's development differentiate it from the ancient period. Now the medieval history of India can further be subdivided into 2 phases. This medieval period can be subdivided into 2 phases. Let's see which are they. The first phase stretched from the 8th century to 13th century and is referred to as the early medieval period. It stretched from 8th century to 13th century, and it is known as the early medieval period. Okay, again, the first phase that is divided into 18th century to 13th century, the early medieval period. This is the first phase. Now let's see about the second phase. Now second phase is known as the later medieval period, and it is parted from 14th century to 18th century. Okay, and it is known as later medieval period. So here medieval has two phases. One is early medieval phase that is divided into 8th century to 13th century, and here second phase is later medieval period, and that is divided from 14th century to 18th century. Okay, now after then here we have completed our one part, that is the information about the medieval period. Now in next part of the class we will see, or we will move further to learn more about this period. Thank you.